Hello guys, welcome back to Video Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to install modern Winver in Windows 11 and how we can do this up. So let's dive into the workaround, and if you're for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos. So we're going to talk about how to install modern Winver in your Windows 11. As you can see, we are having already Winver, and if you search for Winver you will be able to find over here. But the thing is, this particular Winver is actually been kind of like, this is really old, like, for Windows 7 or something. So this is actually not the latest version, so we're gonna use this for the latest version, and how to get this to the latest version, that's we're going to talk about it. So you just have to follow the instruction. So to get the latest version, what you have to do is you just have to go over here and you have to go to Microsoft Store. From here in the Microsoft Store, you have to search for modern Winver. Just have to search for modern Winver. You'll be getting this option, so you have to select this one. And as you can see, this has been downloaded and having 4.9 as the rating, and also 35 ratings are there, as many users has shared their details over there. And also you can see some of the screenshot of the latest version. So you just have to click over here on the get, and you have to wait it. Once it is successfully downloaded, so you just have to open the respective one. So this is actually having a lot of features, which means the sense this is the latest version of Winver, and you can definitely go for it without any issue. As you can see some of the screenshot, and the older one and the newer one has having a lot of differences, and you can definitely go for this one, right? So as you can see, this is getting downloaded, so we just have to wait for a couple of minutes. So this is how the screenshot looks like, and this is actually a very good one in my opinion. And even if you navigate to this one, the entire section is a lot of difference are there comparing with the Winver, which is already by default. So I'll be just going over here and let me wait. So now the download is successfully done, so we just have to go for open. And now this is the latest version of Winver. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, this is how it looks like. This is really awesome. And also if you go to the about section over here, you will be able to find Windows 11 home, single language, and 21 Hz, etc. All the details you'll be able to find over here. If you navigate to system, you will be able to get the details like processor, primary storage, installed RAM, etc. And if you navigate to theme, you will be able to get all this kind of like wallpaper and lock screen options are available over here. And also you can change the change in setting. You can also change in setting for the wallpapers. You can set this up and you can do accordingly. Simultaneously, if you navigate to links, you will be getting many more options like this. So this is the latest version of Winver. And if you navigate to the older version of Winver, if I search over here for Winver, so I'll be searching over here for older Winver. So as you can see, these are the two changes which you can feel right now. So this is the older version of Winver, and this is the latest version, and this is actually kind of cool. And even if you expand this one, you will be able to find this. So this is how you can get the latest version of Winver on a Windows 11. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.